Guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can receive a receipt from your Apple ID. So to do that, first of all, you need to open your browser and go to this website, apple.com. And once you go there, scroll all the way down till you find shopping help. Tap on it and you'll be shown this page. So you just need to find the one that says receipt. So you just need to go over here, tap on learn more, and now you'll be shown these options and you can see this view or print invoice. So to print your invoice or to get your invoice, you just need to go to order listing page and you'll find the details of your order and you can just request for a receipt, or you'll already be given a receipt. All you need to do is fill in your order number and your email address and tap on continue. So guys, if you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.